Today, let's talk about how to carve out a little peaceful retreat inside your small space. Hi again, and welcome to week 3 of our Reset Your Space, a calm reset to fall series. This week is one of my absolute favorites, as we're talking about something we all need, a little space that feels like it's just for us. Not for storage, not for your laptop, not for your laundry pile, but for you, a calm corner. Now, before you tell me you don't have the space, I promise this doesn't have to be a whole room or even a big area. This is about creating a feeling, not square footage. Today, let's talk about how to carve out a little peaceful retreat inside your small space. Here's why calm corners matter. In smaller homes, especially with multiple people, it can feel like there's nowhere to land. But when you intentionally create a spot that says, "This is where I exhale," something shifts. You might use your calm corner to read for 10 minutes, sip tea while the sun sets, meditate or pray, doodle, write, or listen to music, or just sit and do absolutely nothing, which is also allowed. Let's walk through how to make that happen even in the tiniest of homes. Tip 1. Choose a space you can actually use. First things first, where could your calm corner live? Look for an unused corner of your living room or bedroom, a space beside a window, a nook under a loft bed, even a cleared off shelf or chair that gets claimed with intention. It doesn't have to be a new space. It can be a shift in how you use an old one. Tip 2. Start with one anchor item. Every calm corner needs one inviting element to define the space. Here are a few calm corner anchor options based on your space and style. A soft chair or poof, a small accent table or storage stool, a rug to mark the zone, a fold-down wall desk if your calm corner also needs to support quiet focus. This one item helps your brain register, this is a different zone now. Tip 3. Layer in soft sensory touches. The real magic of a calm corner comes from how it feels. That doesn't mean clutter, it means intentionally cozy layers. Some ideas to try are lighting, a dimmable lamp, battery candle, or string lights, scent, essential oil diffuser, incense, or even a favorite hand cream, texture, a soft blanket, natural wood, or a knit pillow, sound, a white noise machine, or a speaker with calming playlists. Keep it minimal. The goal is soft sensory support, not visual noise. Tip 4. Hide the distractions. Even the coziest corner won't feel calm if it's cluttered with cords, paperwork, or to-do piles. Create a way to tuck things away when you want to switch modes. A basket under the chair, a lidded storage ottoman, a shelf with a door. Give your brain visual permission to rest. So your calm corner game plan should include picking a space you can actually enjoy, adding one anchor item to define the area, layering soft sensory details, light, scent, texture, and hiding distractions so the space stays peaceful. Your calm corner doesn't need to be fancy or expensive. It just needs to be intentional. And most importantly, it needs to be used. Even 5 minutes in a space like this can help reset your nervous system and bring more ease into your day. Next week, I'll wrap up this series with something so many of us overlook: maintaining the calm we just created. I'll share gentle ways to keep your space and your energy feeling peaceful as the seasons shift. Until then, I'd love to hear, what would your calm corner be used for? Drop it in the comments if you have one, or create one. I'd love to see what you come up with. Take a breath, calm your space, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.